Uncle Tom's Cabin. Nothing brought the horrors of slavery home to Northerners more than Uncle Tom's Cabin, a novel by Harriet Beecher Stowe. The novel grew out of a vision Stowe had while sitting in church on a wintry Sunday morning in 1851. The vision began with a saintly slave known as Uncle Tom and his cruel master, Simon Legree, who in a furious rage had the old slave whipped to death. Just before Uncle Tom's soul slipped out of his body, he opened his eyes and whispered to Legree, "You poor miserable critter, there ain't no more you can do. I forgive ye with all my soul." Racing home, Stowe scribbled down what she had imagined. Her vision of Uncle Tom's death became part of a much longer story that was first published in installments in an abolitionist newspaper. In one issue, readers held their breath as the slave Eliza chose to risk death rather than to be sold away from her younger son. Chased by slave hunters and their dogs, Eliza dashed to freedom across the ice-choked Ohio River, clutching her child in her arms. In a later issue, Stowe's readers wept as they read her account of how the character of Uncle Tom died at the hands of Simon Legree. In 1852, Uncle Tom's Cabin was published as a novel. Plays based on the book toured the country, thrilling audiences with Eliza's dramatic escape to freedom. No other work has ever aroused such powerful emotions about slavery. In the South, the novel and its author were scorned and cursed. However, in the North, Uncle Tom's Cabin made millions of people even angrier about the cruelties of slavery.